December, but okay.
Southwestern Decatur County, northern Jennings County, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of North Vernon, or 15 miles southeast of Columbus, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Westport Inlets around 12:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Millhausen around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This includes Interstate 74 near mile marker 136. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following counties in Indiana, Decatur, and Jennings.
What? Okay then.